All right, next semester's coming up, and I need to basically change how my reading is set up because I have different kids in there than I had before. And so, what I'm going to do now is again create one class, create a new class, and then tie my two new sections to it. So, what I'm going to go to is my classes. I'm going to click on this tab here. And here's my classes that I have activated. And I'm going to go to an inactive thing so I can see reading. That's what I'm going to deal with. Reading second semester. So it's down here. Here's third period. Here's fourth. It says S2, third, S2, fourth. And those are going to be the classes that I want to tie the sections to it. The reason why I want to tie those sections to it is because I do use the assignment feature in learning, and I want what I grade to go automatically over to Powerschool Pro. That's our grade book. It will go over all the way, but I need it to be in the sections so they know where the kid's at and what section, because that's how the grade book is set up. So I do want my sections to go over so that the grades go over when I grade things. So the first thing I have to do is I have to create a new class. And I think I'm going to just call this reading second semester. And it's already typed in there, so I'm just going to click on it. Must have done it before. Remember, I don't want to allow user nicknames. Kids get inventive, and I don't want to see that. I'm going to hit on the year I want it to be. It's the 2000 year. That's all they give us. I'm assuming it's 2017, 2018. I'm going to click next. Julie hasn't activated anything for that, so I'm just going to hit finished. And so here's my new class. Now, it is not activated until I activate it, so I want to keep it inactive just in case things change and I don't want kids to see it before it's time. I'm going to go to Manage Class, and I'm going to go to the roster because, remember, I want to get those two sections of 7th grade reading into this new class, which is my reading second semester. So I'm going to hit Edit Roster, and I want to create sections. So I'm going to click this tab right here. And this is telling me what I'm doing, and I'm going to just say OK to that. And here's Section A. I don't want to call it Section A. I want to call it third period. That's how I remember it in my head, so that's what I want it to be. And then I want to import the students. So I'm going to click Import Students. Now, if I'm already signed in, so they know who I am, so if I click Only List My Classes, I will see only the classes that I have, and that's what I want to do. So I'm going to click Only List My Classes, and I'm going to hit Search. When I do that, remember I'm looking for that reading S2, and I want it to be third period, so I'm looking for the 3. So here it is. So I'm going to hit the import. They're going to ask me, it's asking me, do I want to link that with this new class? Yes, I do, because remember, I use the assignment feature where I actually grade things on it. I want those grades to automatically go to Gradebook Pro, so I'm just going to say continue. So here's my kids. And I'm going to say import students. So there I have, again, my class is not active. I'm not going to do that yet. I could click that and make it active, but I want to wait. I want to manage sections because I have 2 sections, so I'm going to add another section. So I'm going to go here, and I'm going to go to section B. I'm going to click on the B here, and then I'm going to edit that because I want it to say 4th period. And I want to say import students again. Again, I want to only list my classes, otherwise I see everybody in the building, or all buildings rather. And again, I want that reading S2, but I want 4th period, so I'm finding it here. I'm going to say import students. Again, I do want it linked because I use that assignment feature, and I'm going to hit continue. I'm going to say import students. And again, I really don't want to make this active yet. I'm going to wait, but now my class is made with the 2 sections. Notice that now it says show all sections. There's a 3rd section and a 4th section. And that's how you tie sections to a class so that you can use the assignment feature in both.